Well, hello friend! Today's video is a DIY organizer collab with Diana from Puzzle Organizing Projects. We share a passion for organizing and decided to do an affordable DIY organizer collaboration. Diana is kind and fun and just so chill as she shares her real-life organizing tips. I will link her channel and her Instagram below. I can't wait to see what you make, Diana! So I needed a small tray to hold my eyeglasses and everyday jewelry because I am always knocking my earrings off of my nightstand and scared that I will scratch up my glasses when I take a drink of water in the dark at night. Obviously, I need to place my eyeglasses on my nightstand so that I can see when I get up in the morning, but I needed to contain my jewelry with it because otherwise, if they aren't together, I won't remember to put my jewelry on and I will be on the road and realize my hand and ears are naked. So I have been intrigued by the DIY crafts on YouTube using these tumbling tower game blocks or jeux de tour and thought they would be perfect to create a wood tray. So let me show you how I did just that. I really want to get into woodworking someday. I don't have the proper tools to do so, but I thought this would be a good first try. So this was my first time using wood glue, and you will see with some fails that this is true. First mistake, I wish I did this on top of a Dollar Tree chopping mat. I actually keep these on hand just for projects but just didn't use it. So to compensate for everything sticking to the newspaper, I stood the blocks up to dry in between gluing certain pieces together. Second mistake, I needed wood clamps. They would have made things a lot easier. I struggled a lot longer than you see here at this part. After the biggest part of the base dried, I peeled off and sanded any excess glue. I had some white spray paint on hand, so I took the tray out into the patio and placed it in a box to limit paint from getting everywhere. Then I ran out of paint. So I took that as an opportunity to paint it a different color. As I was ordering groceries through Walmart, I ordered the color I felt was closest to an emerald green, which was a Christmas tree green, to see how that would turn out. As I was painting, I was not liking this shade. However, I decided to give it a try because sometimes paint dries darker than it looks when it is wet. When I finished painting it, I finally looked at the cap and realized I was given the wrong color in the first place. It was fern. I let it dry anyway and still didn't like it. This was a much cloudier day as a storm was coming, but yeah, I still didn't like it. So I realized my daughter had some black acrylic paint and thought I would give that a try. And then this was all that was left, so that was all I could cover. So anyways, it was time to pick up my daughter and I needed to pick up a rotisserie chicken. So after I picked up my daughter, we grabbed a chicken and some black satin finish paint. And I got to painting before the storm came. I was satisfied with the paint color finally. And yes, I had to kill my perfectionism sharing a wonky tray as the pieces did not dry straight. But I still love it. It does just what I need and I think it will look fine when I repaint my bedroom furniture. Click the eye in the corner if you missed my how I plan organizing projects and my bedroom tour. Don't forget to check out Diana's channel, which is linked below. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing! Where did it go?